Space, space, space. I need to see that space. There you go. Good. Okay, you don't want to keep your hips forward. Just the upper bodies. There you go. But you want to look at them. Good job. You nailed that one right away. Not that leg.
Oh, fuck. That's my leg language.
There you go. You just want to nail those introductory poses, right? Okay, walk off. You don't want to be there